When I went to New York, I was like, oh my God. Hey guys! Hello! Look at this beautiful home I'm in right now. Like, I am moving.
My gosh, stop.
I'm moving in.
You can move in, girl.
Okay.
Hey, basically you did today.
I
You
know.
took your shoes off.
I came with, like, I took off my socks, actually. Okay, so you guys probably know this is SAZAN, and everything about this girl is exactly what you see IRL as you see online, which is, like, it's so refreshing.
Oh my God.
Wait, so tell me about what just happened.
Oh my God, don't look at my face on this side because I shaved my sideburn.
Everyone thinks you're, like, Indian.
Really?
I think you have that vibe.
I'm
like,
honored, okay?
Right? We were talking about, like, what we're gonna do, and she was like, can you turn me into, like, an Indian princess? I was like, yes! It's gonna be so fun. So we're doing that on her channel, and then I was like, well, what should we do on my channel? And I just felt like you, of, like, all my influencer friends, would just be fun to talk with.
And eat.
That too. So we're doing, this is my first ever mukbang.
This is my first too. Mukbang or
I don't
mukbang?
know.
Mukbang.
Whatever, I think mukbang.
Yeah.
And I felt like Chick Fil A made sense because we're from the South.
I know, we're both from Texas, you guys. And okay, why isn't there a lot of like Chick Fil A restaurants in LA? Like there's
I don't
only
know.
like 3.
I don't know, but also I'm so impressed with the sauce situation because I would have been really mad if you didn't get both Polynesian and Chick Fil A. I didn't even tell you.
I have to have Polynesian and Chick Fil A sauce every time I eat
But
Chick-fil-A.
also you didn't get ranch, which is like.
Ew, the ranch is not good.
At Chick-fil-A?
I did you a favor.
I thought you meant ranch isn't good in life.
No, I love ranch in general.
Okay, so what did you get?
So I am definitely an 8-piece nugget kind of girl. Honestly, if it was a Friday, I probably would have got a 12 count because it's Friday. But you know what? It's the middle of the week, so I'm trying to be somewhat healthy.
Wait, but also I was gonna say you're like on your fitness game.
I know this should be cheat meal mukbang because
That's
I'm
true.
cheating for you right now. And by the way, Teeny's napping, so it was perfect timing for you to come over and do this. She'll probably wake up and then maybe she can join us. And we
Okay.
can give her Polynesian sauce for the first time.
Really?
Yeah.
Is that allowed?
I don't know, don't call CPS on me, okay? Like you can tell me I look like freaking Jafar all day, every day.
Totally.
But when you attack my family or my husband or my child, it's like,
What can I even say?
what does Steve even do? Does he sit around like an Instagram husband all day? And then it cuts
they literally
to Steve.
only
If
knew.
only they knew. Like he does so much behind the scenes.
First, I have to tell you, I obviously got the spicy chicken sandwich
Yeah, what
because
is it?
hashtag Indian. Do you do spice?
I love spicy. Do we talk with our mouth open for this? Or
Mhm.
in real life, we're classy, okay? But we just have to chat. You know what I mean?
Sometimes, yeah. I want to tell them about how we first met.
Oh my gosh.
It was at New York Fashion Week, so it was almost like it was 2 years ago. I saw her in CV and I was like, I'm just gonna go say hi because they're from Texas and I know she's gonna be exactly what you see online.
Oh my gosh, really?
And that's exactly what happened.
Was there any like doubt in your mind, like maybe she's a little biatch?
100%. You never know though. I've seen people pull out their phone, take a snap, and like, best time ever, put it down and just be like,
I've seen that too. We're not gonna name any
it
names.
pains me. No, we're not gonna go
Maybe
there, but
it's
I
the
mean,
same person.
I'm honestly probably.
You never know. So you were like working from the brand side and then you came to like the influencer side. Which side is like more fun?
I think the tinted side, the cross between the two. It's really hard for me to go out there and make more videos and content about myself because I get a high when it's posting other people and they get opportunities. Like this like African American girl that's like from Texas, we posted her on Tinted and then Beauty Blender contacted her to be in their campaign. Like I love that. That gives me such a rush. I enjoy vlogging way more because I feel like you get to see our lives, you know?
I know. It's so challenging for me because I'm in a season right now where it's like I had a baby and it's like I love doing YouTube videos, but it's almost like if you're not gonna give 100% to your content now, then don't even take the time to post a YouTube video. Are you separating your time between both companies?
Literally as of this week, I've changed it now to where Monday, Wednesday, Friday, I'm sitting down doing Tinted. I'm going into an office because I would just wake up, pick up my phone, do emails, social media, and
have your pajamas on
from
still.
bed. I just got Simran as like an assistant. I used to feel weird even saying that because it's like, oh wow, like you have an assistant. Like,
People are like, what the heck? Why do you have an assistant? But people don't understand, like, we need a support team. Like, these brands that have commercials, if you're the talent, there's somebody keeping an eye on your hair, somebody that's doing your makeup, somebody making sure that the lighting's good. In our world, we have to basically be a one-man band.
All hats.
And it's like having 1 or 2 people on your team when you can get to that point, it's so worth investing in and giving back.
Did you used to edit all your videos?
Yeah.
Same.
And I still will, like the personal videos where I know what I want to say. A lot of the time, Stevie will do it. All the other ones, like the tutorials, it's like, quit looking at my sideburn.
I kind of, how did you do? I literally was. I just got caught.
We're in the middle of having a series and you're just like,
I was
love it.
looking. Oh my God.
see it, guys?
Do you think people are going to like critique the way we like dip our like fries? How do you pick? I can't.
Oh my god, we're both mixing.
I'm mixing.
I like to dip it in all three. Oh my god, my mother-in-law literally doesn't, she gets the strips and doesn't get any dipping sauces. Like she just eats it dry. I think it's just because it's healthier that way.
Oh, well, that's fair.
You know how many calories these homeboys have? Like, but at the same time, I can't imagine eating this without.
What is your favorite Texas food? Like barbecue, Tex-Mex?
Oh my god. Chewy's, hands down. That freaking crack sauce, jalapeno ranch, and then the barbecue in Texas, you can't go wrong. I had an argument with somebody from like South Carolina, and they were like, South Carolina has like the best barbecue. It's just different down there. They like use a vinegar sauce, but with us, it's like a dry rub, and it just like melts in your mouth. It's so good.
I'm like out of fries.
When I'm out of fries, I freak out, and Steve never finishes his fries. He like had half of them in the trash.
That's like sacrilegious.
To get it out of the trash or not, that is the question.
Oh my god, if we're like diving in there.
Who are some of your like best friends in our world? Like our influencer world? Like who do you legit hang out with on the reg?
Melissa, I would say is my closest.
Melissa Alatorre.
That girl is like my ride or die. And more recently, I've been hanging out with Tenny like crazy because we're both like in the same place in life right now. AKA holler at your girls. I'm so good at hooking other people up, but like myself, I'm like,
Would you ever marry someone that's also in this world? Like somebody who's an influencer or like a celebrity?
Okay, can I tell you, we were kind of talking about this. When I went to New York, I was like, oh my god.
What the heck was that?
I can't tell.
It was like a fart came out of your mouth.
Wait, I had such a serious thing to say, and now I like don't even. Oh my god,
that was the funniest thing ever. Okay, what were you saying?
I don't even know. I was like,
when you went to New York?
I like thought I was gonna be with this like boss Wall Street person and like date all these like finance jerks. I now think that all I care about is that they have to be passionate about something and be kind and close to their family. I'm scared I'm gonna fart burp again. I like don't want to open my mouth. Does it smell? Like, do you smell in the air that it's like a thing?
No, but that's what you get for looking at my sideburns.
Oh my god.
So now is your ultimate guy that you envision yourself marrying? It's like a family man.
The three things that matter to me most is that big heart, ambitious, make me laugh.
Oh, yeah.
Funny is so important, and I don't feel like the people I dated in the past were that funny. I just want to be silly. Don't you feel like life is so sometimes exhausting?
Serious,
I just want to be silly. I would
So,
love to marry
and
Drake.
Drake's funny to you?
No.
I feel like he looks like a thumb.
The having a baby thing, he's no longer my future husband.
Wait,
it's
what?
Fine. He has a kid.
Who?
Drake.
What?
With a porn star.
How do you know?
Girl, it is like TMZ Shade Room, like the world knows.
And that's how you know I'm officially a mom. I'm not keeping up with anything.
You're officially a mom.
Are you freaking kidding me? Is that why I didn't work out with Rihanna?
I think so.
Dang, Drake. That makes me emo.
I know, it made me really sad because he was like, to me, the kind rapper. Wait, you ate really fast.
No, I still have a fry left, but then
Okay.
I hate these fries. These ones are like where it's all potato-y in the back. That's not my fave. My 3 qualities in a guy is, it's so important, number 1, that he is a godly man, that he has a strong foundation in his faith. Number 2, he has to be funny. I can't be with a sauerkraut. Like, I need you to have a sense of humor. That was always my biggest thing, was like, I like to laugh and make fun of things and not, like, if you're gonna be sensitive, it's like, get out. And then number 3 is, I need him to like live an active lifestyle. I don't mean that in a conceited way of like, you better not be fat. Like somebody wanting to go out there and adventure, do things. And that kind of ties into the whole like spending time with family, like someone who is active in their life.
Wow, I have never heard someone say active. That's a new one. But also, oh my god. See, that was a normal burp though.
Yours came from a place that needs prayer.
Oh my god, I'm never getting a boyfriend.
You may be surprised when you go to Trader Joe's, girl. Just put a little concealer on, because your man might be there. Who knows?
Ain't nobody putting on concealer when they go to Trader Joe's, the airport. Like
I know, me either.
hate getting ready.
I
It's
do
so much
too.
work. Well, on that note, we actually are about to get really ready. I want to make you just look as if you were going to an Indian wedding. Like,
I want
We're
to
not
go.
gonna like try to make you the bride or anything like that. You're just gonna get dressed up and be all beautiful and colorful, like you're going to an Indian wedding.
They basically need to bounce to my channel right now to
Exactly.
see the transformation of us with our greasy Chick Fil A fingers.
I know,
doing
we should
makeup.
probably wash our
Yeah,
hands.
we probably should.
And I should probably like go to the restroom or something.
Clearly, you've got a situation you need to let out.
I am so never getting a boyfriend. No, whatever, it's fine. Okay, thanks guys for watching. I hope you like my first mukbang bong, whatever.
Mukbangy, whatever.
And be sure to go check out the collab on SAZAN channel and subscribe to both of our channels. It's down below.
Yay!
We would very much appreciate it, and we'll see you next time.
Thanks for having me, guys. See ya.
Isn't she so cute?
We should do In-N-Out Burger next.
And then like Whataburger.
That's just an excuse. I can be like, oh.